Meeting someone for the first time? Let's learn how to greet them naturally in English and respond like a native speaker.
It was nice to meet you. It was nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you is a polite way to say you're happy to meet someone for the first time. It's usually said right after introductions or sometimes again at the end of your first conversation. You can also say, glad to meet you. You can reply with, nice to meet you too. It's great to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Pleased to meet you. You can respond with these phrases or just repeat what the other person said and add to. For example, pleased to meet you too.
So, what do you do? So, what do you do?
When you meet someone new, a very common question to ask is, what do you do? This usually means, what's your job? Or what's your main activity? It can also include studying, volunteering, or even managing your household. You can answer with your main activity, job, or role. For example, I'm a teacher. I work in marketing. I volunteer at an animal shelter. I manage the household. I write articles for blogs. When someone tells you about their job or main activity, it's important to react naturally and ask follow-up questions. This makes the conversation friendly and engaging. You can show you're interested by saying something like, that sounds interesting, or, oh wow, that's really cool, or, that must be fun. After reacting, you can keep the conversation going by asking questions like, how long have you been doing that? Do you enjoy it? What got you into that? This question is used to ask how someone started doing something, like their job, hobby, or activity. You're basically asking, why did you start doing that? Or, how did you become interested in that? Replies you can say are, I've always loved music, so I started learning guitar. A friend introduced me to volunteering and I really enjoyed it. I wanted to try something new, so I joined a cooking class. I've always been interested in photography and I thought it would be fun to try it. That's it for today. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in any conversation. In the next video, we'll learn even more ways to have smooth conversations in English. Thank you for watching.